Okay, hi guys, it's me again, and today I'll be sharing a cool tips for you in regards to iPad. Now, do you have like a music instrument? For me, I have a digital piano right here, right? So, normally when I try to record my song, my music, right, I'll use my iPad over here, right? So normally I just connect the data cable over to my iPad Air, okay, and I will listen the audio from my piano through a headset, okay, right here. So normally this is what I do. I connect my earphones, and then for the audio wise, it will go into my iPad. So I record by using GarageBand. Okay, now I mean, this is the pretty straightforward. It's by Apple, I think, right? If you have any other apps that can do such as well, do let me know in the comment section down below, right? I'm actually trying to find out if there's any other apps besides GarageBand, because one thing is whatever tone that is coming from my digital piano, it's not the same as the GarageBand, right? Because GarageBand, you actually need to like choose your musical instruments over here, and then whatever is being played back over here is actually not the exact same as your piano. So that's the downside about GarageBand, but nevertheless this works. So recently I just find out that so I was thinking if I could do a Facebook live stream or a YouTube live stream just by using my iPad. And I just found out a feature that in GarageBand I can actually do that. So how do I do it is, okay, first off, let me plug the this cable into, right? So what you need to do is actually go to settings, go to advanced, enable this run in background. So what happens is when you activate this, the mic, right, it will be activated, so it will be always be running. Now if I off this and if I come out, see, that's gone. All right, now let's go back into here. Yeah, because I on this, so yeah, running background, okay. So get out. Now you can see it keeps on running, right? And whatever you're playing here, it actually comes up from here. So remember that I'm actually connected to my headset, so by right there's no sound coming from my piano, but this tune right here is actually coming out from my iPad, right? So oh yeah, the other thing is you need to adjust the volume as well. So if you were to put too low, then your audience won't be able to hear anything, right? So I just keep it as default. So next, just go into Facebook or Twitch or yeah, any other platform that you prefer, right? And just go live. So trust me, your audience will be able to hear what you're playing, and you can actually communicate as well, because the mic on the iPad will be activated as well, so you can actually communicate with your audience, right? But yeah, the thing is the tone, it still comes in from the GarageBand option. It's not direct exactly like the one on my piano, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna go live in a bit and I'll show you the recording after this, right? So I mean, if you have a better app that you can actually suggest, please leave it down in the comment section below. I mean, if the app have such feature, right? For now I can only find GarageBand. It works. It is a native you know, Apple app, I think, right? It works perfectly. Yeah, nothing much that we need to do. Just tweak that settings and we are good to go. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So this is the test, right? Okay, see.